put your money where your mouth is. This is my thoughts on how I get people cut wood. So the main thing I want to talk about is block splitting. Generally, you can cut wood on the ground. You don't have to put on a block, but you're starting to bend over. But even the grip of the sword is generally little finger gripping. So 1 fist distance. You get more leverage here. There's lots of things about where you grip, but sort of 1 fist distance would be apart. The most important thing about lifting the sword is if you actually push with this left hand. Now what this does is if you lift the sword like this, you have a lot of weight at the end of the axe. But if you push here, you're bringing the axe up, it comes up. Okay, then the other one is breathing in. So you're using your lungs like bellows to The other one about stance is a lot of people spread their legs like this. And the idea is if you miss, the chopper can go between your legs here. From the sword background, we tend to, sword is more online, but I tend to split it off a bit so that if I miss, it's going to go clean past me here. And then the other feeling as well is to understand what I can do with my wrist, what I can do with my elbow, and what my shoulder can do. The other one is you probably can't see, but keeping this knee over the foot. The minute I start rolling this knee over the foot, I'm putting a lot of pressure into joints that they're not designed to take. Once we've breathed in and lifting like this, the understanding of what can I do to accelerate just by my little finger gripping, I'm starting. Hand can be up high and then sliding down a little bit to get acceleration. But remember, accuracy is important, so understanding distance and breathing in, breathing out on the exhale. The other one that is interesting about, you probably won't need it very much, but say there is a mistake, you need to stop. And I guess, how to stop the tool involves rolling the hands in like this. So as an engineering principle, this is the pylon, this might be the road, and these are the cables that come off the pylon to support the road. So this understanding of how to stop, and you can test your individual grips by see the fat part of the hand is on the back here. If you do this, it's slightly different. So even being able to support a tool lifted with one hand at full reach. Forward.